Guys, come with me to my kitchen. I'm gonna show you how I prepare my wet seasoning mix. So over here I have my blender. This is the NutriBullet, very good. So I have here 2 medium onions. Now in goes my green onion, otherwise called escallion. So we're gonna put those in. Just like this. Now I have my fresh thyme. This is like 4 sprigs of fresh thyme. Gonna just drop it in there just like that. 1 Scotch bonnet pepper, 4 cloves of garlic, and I also gonna put some pimento seed, guys. I'll say about 6 or 7 seeds of pimento. And that's it, guys, for now. I'm also gonna put some olive oil to start it off. And this is the first cold press extra virgin olive oil. So here we go, guys. Just a little olive oil like that. You don't need a lot. You can also use water. And now I'm going to put my lid on to my blender cup, and I'm going to start the blender. That's it, all blended. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, guys. Very nice, all blended. So now I'm gonna store this in this nice little mason jar. So take a look, guys. This is what it looks like going in my mason jar. Put this in your soup, put this in your meat, put it in your vegetable. It is an all-purpose, guys. It can go in anything. So you can pretty much use like a teaspoon, a tablespoon. It all depends on what you're cooking. Put this in your refrigerator up to 3 months. Use it whenever you want, instead of, you know, every time you're cooking, you're looking to cut up escallion thyme. Just get a spoon and take out what you want from here and put it in your soup, put it in your meat pot, put it in your vegetable. The sky is the limit, guys, with this all-purpose seasoning. Thanks for watching. My name is Sonia. If you're new here, those of you already subscribed, thanks a lot. Keep coming back for more video. Remember to turn on your notification, guys, so you could know when I upload a video. Thanks for staying with me. Remember to like, comment, share. Bye for now.